Hi, it's Awning Alice here from James Robert Shaw. Today we're going to be walking through how to adjust the pitch for the Panther Folding-Arm Awning. For this walkthrough you will need a flathead screwdriver, a spirit level, a 6mm Allen key and a 10mm Allen key. We also advise that there are 2 people present when adjusting the pitch. Send your awning out to its maximum projection. First remove the cap on the back arm connector. Once removed, this is where you'll find the bolts to adjust your pitch. Using your 6mm Allen key, remove the initial bolt, whilst the second person supports the fascia. Once this is removed, you will find the second bolt. Using your 10mm Allen key, rotate the bolt anti-clockwise to lift the pitch. Rotating it clockwise will respectively lower the pitch. Direct the person that's holding the fascia to raise or lower to your desired position. Ensure that you make the appropriate adjustments to the other side. Using a spirit level, check that the pitch is level and at your desired angle. Once you've achieved this angle, reinsert the bolt you initially removed into the adjustment bolt. To refit the cap, place one side of the cap in first. Place your flathead screwdriver into the groove on the opposite side. Apply pressure with your hand to the back of the screwdriver. This will click the cap back into place. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any further questions or inquiries, please visit our website at www.jamesrobertshaw.co.uk or alternatively, give our sales team a call on 01204 574 764. I'm Awning Alice, over and out.